Good morning, students. In previous class we have learned how to multiply one digit number. Yes. Now let us learn about multiplying by tens and hundreds. It's very easy. Okay. For example, multiplying by 10 and 100. To multiply a number by 10, simply put a 0 to the right of the number. Okay. Look here, children. For example, 7 into 10 is there. Okay. Simply we have to keep 70. 7 will write as it is, and for 10 we are having only 1 0, so we'll keep 1 0. For example, 92 into 10 is there. We'll write this number as it is 92 and we'll keep this 0 as it is. Okay. For example, 87 into 10 is there. 10 is there. 10 is there means we'll write 87 as it is and we'll keep 0 here. Okay. One more example. 729 into 10 is there. So we'll write this 729 as it is and we'll keep 0 here. Okay. Like this we will do for multiplying by 10. Next, for multiplying by 100. For that, for example, 97 into 100. For 100, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So we'll write this 97 as it is and we'll keep these 2 zeros here. For example, 72 into 100 is there. We'll write this 72 as it is and we'll keep these 2 zeros here. Okay. Only for 10, 100. 10 will keep 1 0 and for 100 we'll keep 2 zeros. For example, 98 into 100 is there. 98 will write directly and we'll keep these 2 zeros here. Okay. For example, 9 into 100 is there. Okay. We'll write these 2 zeros here. This 9 will be written here as it is. 9 ones are 9. 98 ones are 98, like that. Okay. Multiplying by 10 and 100 is very easy. We can directly look here. 9 into 10. We are keeping 0 as it is. 9 ones are 9. 15 into 10. 15 will write as it is and 0 will be written here. 345 into 10 means 345 will write directly and this 0 is written here. If it is 345 into 100 means 100 we are having 2 zeros, so we will keep here 2 zeros. Look, for 100 we are also having 2 zeros, so we will keep here 2 zeros. Now multiplying by tens. Okay, tens. Look here, children. For example, 7 into 30 is there. 7 into 30. Okay. For this, we'll do like this. Okay. Here 0 is there. So, we'll keep 0 as it is. Now, multiply these 3 with 7. 3 sevens are 21. We'll write 210. Okay. For example, so to multiply a number by 10, 20, 30, up to 90, multiply it by 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. If it is 30 means you have to multiply with 3. If it is 40 means you have to multiply with 4. Like that. Then put a 0 to the right of the product. Okay. For example, this is example 1, 2. 9 into 50 is there. Okay. 9 into 50. We'll keep the 0 here as it is and 5 nines are 45. Okay. For example, 17 into 60 is there. 17 into 60. We'll keep 0 here as it is and 6 sevens are 42. 2 here, 4 carry. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Okay. Now one more example. 98 into 90 is there. Okay. We'll write this 0 here as it is and 9 eights are 72. 2 here, 7 taken as carry. 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 7, 88. Okay, very easy. First we have to multiply with ones place here and then we have to multiply with tens place. We'll write here. Okay, if we get 2 digit number, we have to take carry aside. Okay, this is for tens. Now I will explain for hundreds. Okay. For example, 72 into 200 is there. Very simple. For 200, how many zeros are here? 2. So we'll write here 2 zeros and we'll multiply these here. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. Okay. And one more example. 86 into 500 is there. Okay. How many zeros are here? 2. So we'll keep these 2 zeros here as this, and 5 6 are 30. 30 means 0 here, 3 taken as carry. 5 8 are 40. 40 plus 3, 43. Okay. Very simple and easy. For example, 200 into 234 is there. Okay, here 2 zeros given, no? So we can do this also directly. Here cornerly we will write these 2 zeros. First we will multiply here. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Okay, like this you have to do. Multiplying by hundreds. Okay, look here, exercise 4. 6 into 10. We'll keep 0 here. 6 ones are 6. 8 into 20. We'll keep 0 here. 8 twos are 16. Okay. Here 5 into 40. We'll keep here 0. 5 fours are 20. Like that. And here 0. 1 0 is there. So we'll keep 0. 4 8s are 32. Next, look, 2 zeros are there. So we'll keep 2 zeros. 7 ones are 7. Like this. Complete this total bit in your fair notes. Okay. Look. Next, multiplying by a 2-digit number. Multiplying by a 2-digit number. For example, 72 into 23 is there. 72 into 23. Okay. 72 into 23. These are 2 digits. Yes. 2 here 2 digits. So we'll take here like this. 72 into 23. Okay. First, when we are doing multiplication, we will do from ones place. Okay. Here this is a 2-digit number. So we'll take here 2 steps. Okay. First we will multiply these 72 by 3 and then we will multiply these 72 by 2. Okay. Look, first we will multiply with 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. Okay. Now when we are multiplying the digit in the tens place, we have to leave here ones place. We can keep into or we can keep 0 also. Okay. We can keep here 0 or we can keep into. Now we will multiply by this tens place digit. Okay, when we are multiplying by tens place digit, we have to leave this ones place and we will start from tens place. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Okay, now add this total. 6 plus 0 6, 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 4 is 6 and 1 will be written as this. Okay, this is multiplying by a 2-digit number. Very simple, children. Look here, when we are doing multiplication with ones place digit, we will write directly. Yes, we will multiply these. Next, when we are doing multiplication with tens place digit, we will draw here one into also we can draw, or we can write 0 also. If you wrote 0, you will get confused. So better to write into mark. Okay, it will be easy. Okay, look, into. We will start these multiplying from tens place. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. Now I will explain one more. For example, 98 into 34. Okay, 98 into 34. So we'll write 98 here into 34. Okay. Here it is also 2-digit number. So we'll get 2 steps. Okay, after getting 2 steps we will get, when we add we will get final answer. Okay, now 4 8s are, first we will do multiplication here. 4 8s are 32. 32. 32 is a 2-digit number. So we'll write this 2 here and this 3 is taken as carry. Okay. Now 4 9s are 36. 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. Okay. Now when we are doing multiplication with tens place, we will keep here into. Okay. 3 8s are 24. 24 is also 2-digit number. So we'll write 4 here and this 2 is taken as carry. Okay. This 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 2. 27 plus 2 will get 29. 29 is also 2-digit number. But here any digits not there. So we'll write 29 directly. Okay. Now add this. 2 plus 0 2. 9 plus 4 is 13. 3 here. 1 taken as carry. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 3 here. 1 taken as carry. 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore 3332 is the answer. Here look children, here we didn't took any carries but here we took carries. This is the multiplying by a 2-digit number without regrouping. Here we didn't need any carries but here we need. So this is the multiplying by a 2-digit number with the regrouping. Okay. I will explain one more example. (79 into 52 is there. 79 into 52. So we'll write first 79 here into 52. Okay. Now it is also 2-digit number. So we'll get 2 steps. Okay. Look here children. First we will multiply with ones place. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Okay. 18 is a 2-digit number. So we'll write the digit in the ones place here. And the digit in the tens place is taken as carry. Okay. Now 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1. It will be 15. Okay, we'll write here 15 as is. We will not take this one here barrow. Why? Because here no digit, nothing is there. Digits not there. So we'll take here only. Okay. Now when we are doing multiplying with the tens digit, we'll take here into, or we can write 0 also. Okay. 5 9s are 45. Okay. 45 is also 2-digit number. So we'll write 5 here and these 4 taken as carry. Okay. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 4 is 39. Okay. Now add this. 8 plus 0 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 here. 1 carry. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 here. 1 carry. 3 plus 1 is 4. Therefore 4108 is the answer. Okay. Like this you have to do multiplying by a 2-digit number. Look here children, in textbook page number 127, here A, B, C are given. Okay. Look, 42 into 22, 23 into 13, 33 into 12. These all are multiplying without regrouping. Means here will not get any carries. Okay. Do this in textbook and you can write this in fair notes. Okay. This is homework. Just now I said here. This is like this you have to do. Okay. This. Next, here in textbook page number 128, 6 questions are there. These all are homework. These all you have to do in fair notes. Okay, these all you have to do in fair notes. These all are multiplying with regrouping. Means you will get carries. You will get carries like this. Okay, carries like this. Carries you will get. So, you have to do these all in your fair notes very neatly. This is also your homework. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here 3 7 8 9. Do this in textbook only. 9 and this. Okay, complete this in your Fairnotes. First of all, write this from here to here, this total page write in your Fairnotes. Okay, this total page write in your Fairnotes. 126. Look, multiplying by tens and hundreds, multiplying by 10 and 100, multiplying by tens, multiplying by hundreds, and exercise 4 up to here write in your Fairnotes. And then keep the heading multiplying by 2-digit number and do these problems. You can do in textbook only, otherwise you can do in Fairnotes. Okay, this exercise 6 you have to do in Fairnotes. Okay, up to here complete in your Fairnotes. Okay, thank you.